Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Zilliqa is still moving at the support of a big triangle, and here it has formed two more patterns, and there is a possibility that the price line will break out them and it can make another attempt to break out this triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it first, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this weekly time frame chart, and here we have been watching that the price line is moving in a very big descending triangle, and the formation of this triangle was started here in January 2021. We had so many rejections, and we had several touch points at the support as well. Right now, after being rejected in the month of October 2021, the price line moved down and tested the support here for almost 3 or 4 weeks, and we had a short rally that was up to 8.7 cents, and again price line moved down at the support. And we are also having a very nice support of the 200 weekly simple moving average as well. This small red line is the 200 weekly simple moving average. Now here, while moving at the support, and the price line has again found another resistance within this triangle. And if I switch to the daily time frame, then here we can see that the price line has formed another descending triangle within the bigger descending triangle, and you can see that the movement of Zilliqa is getting more and more squeezed as it is reached at the end of this triangle. So very soon it can break down or break out the resistance or support of this triangle. I'm expecting that it can break out the resistance because we have very strong support at one side. We have a very strong and long-term support of the triangle, and also the strong support of 200 weekly simple moving average as well. Now if the price line breaks out this resistance, then it can move up to the next resistance of the bigger triangle, that is approximately at 8.7 cents. Now from here, if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, then here price line has formed a very long channel, a down channel, and here we have the resistance of the channel. Right now you can see that the price line is breaking out the resistance of this channel. Here we have the support, and if the price line breaks it out, then we have different short-term resistance levels. Like we will have first resistance here at approximately 6.1 cents, then we will have another resistance approximately here that will be approximately 6.2 cents, then we will have another resistance here 6.5. I'm expecting that after this breakout, the price line can reach at this final resistance that is approximately at 6.7 cents. And if the price line reaches the 6.7 cents, then it can also break out the resistance of this small triangle as well. So next few hours are really very important, because if the price line completely breaks out like it is breaking out this resistance, then it can also break out this bigger resistance, and it can reach the bigger resistance of a bigger triangle on the weekly time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.